hold you? Hold your baby? She's so nice. That guy's just silly, isn't he?
Go say hi, Tyler. Go say hi.
He's not gonna spray.
Whoa! Tyler!
That turkey's chasing you. That silly turkey.
Why were you chasing you, Tyler?
She likes you.
They love you, Tyler.
I think this turkey really likes you.
I think that turkey thinks you're its baby. They're looking for their baby.
No, they're looking for a baby. They want to make you their baby.
You're the baby, Ty.
You don't want to be
That's the mommy and the daddy. They're looking for their baby.
You don't want to be a turkey, right? See, I'm a turkey. I'm no turkey. Can you make that sound?
That was so funny. Are you not? Oh, look at the little cute puppy! Oh my gosh, how cute! Oh my gosh! Oh, watch out! The bird's coming! Oh, Daddy, let's get one.
You think he's cute? He's kind of ugly. He's got pretty colors, though, huh? No, I'm not getting up.
You crazy
I will
bird.
in a second. Hold on.
You crazy bird.
That turkey is not gonna get you.
Tyler, go down and chase the bird. See how the dog chased the bird? Okay. This one doesn't like me. It's following me. Stop following me, man. Stop following me. You're starting to scare me.
The turkey didn't eat that dog. The turkey was scared of the dog.
Look at this thing. You are crazy. What's your name? What is your name, Turkey? Turkey Lucky. Hey. You're getting too close, dude. Go back to your honey over there.